information retrieval system, different data structures. Okay, so we have seen different sort of the data structure that can be applicable for your indexing purpose. Okay, uh, or to identify the information. So those are n-gram data structure. Okay, then patricia tree data structure, then streaming is also one of the approach can be get applicable. And likewise we are having the signature file and the inverted index. These two are also the approaches which you have to use in information retrieval system so as to locate information correctly. So information retrieval system IRS uses inverted index. Okay, so this is the most commonly used data structure which can be get applicable to locate the information from the given document. Okay, so if you are performing any query search, uh, so how does this inverted index is applicable over there to identify the particular information which you are asking? Whatever the your query is, that query should be answerable based on to the document data which is available. So how does this is going to be available? So in database management system also inverted index can be get used, as well as in IRS also in this concept known as the inverted index can be get used. The concept of inverted index is that which we are dealing now is applicable for a database management system as well as for the IRS, which is commonly used. Now, what does this inverted index consist of? Okay, or the file structure. So it will have document file, the inversion list, and the dictionary. So these three are called as the pillars. These three are called as the pillars for inverted file structure: the document file, the inversion list, and the dictionary. These three are the key terms that we should know while discussing about the inverted index. Document file is nothing but the whole file. Okay, where from which your query results can be get retrieved. That is called as the document file. And the other one is called as the inversion list. Now what is this inversion list? So inversion list is also called as the posting list or inversion index. Okay, inversion list is also called as posting list or inversion index. So where exactly, okay, the word is found, that information is going to be get associated with the inverted file. So inverted file, why does this name has been considered? So because we are maintaining history. Okay, so inversion of the means inclusion of the data is available inside the file, that is called as inversion file. So in which documents, suppose a particular word which you are trying to find, which may be associated with multiple documents, like whenever you fire a query, you will get so many results, so many relevant pages are going to be get obtained. Okay, so that's why it is showing, it is what, it is a list of document. In only one single document your query is not going to be get answerable, right? So that's why inverted file or inverted list is a list of document in which the word is found is stored. So here it creates a inversion list or posting list or an index we do call, where the particular word is available. Okay, so in different documents your word or your query is going to be get available, so it maintains that. Okay, so that is called as inversion file. So inverted file or inversion or posting is nothing but the term used over here. So it is nothing but a list of documents. Okay, in single document your information is not going to be available, it may be associated with multiple documents. The query which you are searching, its answer may be associated with the multiple files. As you will perform online search, there will be multiple pages pop up. So that's why inversion file is nothing but a list of document in which the word is found is stored. If the particular word is associated, so that particular word history is going to be get maintained. That is called as inversion file. And every document, like whatever the files or the data which is going to obtain towards the server, at the time, for every document there will be what unique numerical identifier will be there. Okay, for every document to be get identified easily, so as to locate the particular information from the document, or to make it available to the client, it is going to assign the unique identifier. So each document is going to have a unique identifier associated with it. And how do you try to find it? By making use of the dictionary. So with the help of dictionary you can able to find it out where it is available. Okay, so inverted index. So dictionary is the term is going to be get used, which is used to locate the inversion list. And everything is going, as there will be a particular indexing, or we can say unique identifier is going to be there, which is going to be available in a sorted manner or a sorted fashion. The list are available within a system, and also it will have the pointers. Suppose one document is matching to another document which will have the same terms, then it will have the pointers, means or a array it can be get associated, that this document 1, document 3 and document 5 are matching. Then there will be a connection from one document to another document. Okay, so what is inverted index? Inverted index is a data structure which is used in database management system as well as in IRS. Okay, which commonly consists which focuses onto the key terms such as document file, then inversion list and the dictionary. So document file is nothing but your entire whatever the files which are there, that are called as document file. Inversion list, what is an inversion list? Just now we have discussed. Inversion list is nothing but if a particular query which you are finding, and if that word's history, okay, is going to be get maintained at this document, this particular word is available. Okay, so for that indexing is going to be get maintained, that is called as indexing file. This particular word is available at this location, so likewise indexing is going to be get maintained. And this is possible with the help of the dictionary. Dictionary is available over there of all these tokens. Tokens means nothing but the words which you are looking for. For that, a dictionary is going to be get maintained of this all inverted index. So this technique is used for database management system as well as it is used in IRS also. It is an effective data structure because it will give good performance. Okay, optimum performance means whatever the query which you are firing, its answer is going to be accurate. Okay, so optimum performance is going to be achievable by making use of the concept of inverted index, because whatever the query is going to be there, that query is going to be get matched with that inverted list. If it is available, it is going to be available then to the client also. So in that sense you can say that it will give you the optimal performance, as well as it is going to analyze the relationship between the concepts also, whether this particular topic is related with the another topic which is available within the another document. There are suppose multiple documents, then whether it is similar or not. Okay, so that matching is also going, concept matching. Okay, so whether suppose the table if I am talking, it can be a furniture table or it can be any of your relational database table suppose. So it should able to identify it if the information is available inside the documents. So matching is going to be get performed, depends on to the concept. Okay, so So you can understood what is the meaning of concept. So one word may have different meaning also. So concept matching should be there with the relationship. So this algorithm nothing but the concept called as inverted index, or the data structure that we do call inverted index, is applicable for concept matching and matching their relationships also. So whether it is discussing onto the same concept or same topic which the client is interested, that is going to be get matched by making use of this inverted index. Okay, so inverted index focuses onto the three key terms. One is called as the document file, where the entire data is available. Secondly is nothing but the inverted list, or that list is also called as a posting list. So inverted list is a list which maintains summary, or we do call like an index sort of the of the terms which the client is interested to find it out, and based on the matching it is going to be available inside the dictionary. This is more applicable for the concept and the relationship, but not for the natural language processing, where in natural language processing means syntax and semantics will be on the more focus, such as noun, adjective, adverbs. So in natural language processing, mostly grammatical focus is there. Okay, so this inverted index is not applicable for the natural language processing, but for other concepts it can be get useful. um, so in this inverted index, the main idea or the main concept that is hidden is nothing but the dictionary of the terms. Okay, so dictionary of the different terms are going to be there, or we do call those terms as a vocabulary or a new word, not the stop words or not the stemming words, the fresh words or the correct words or the root words or the vocabulary is there. For that vocabulary, a dictionary is going to be get maintained, and then a record is maintained in which document these words are available. Okay, suppose there are 5,000 words or 10,000 words. Okay, there will be limit, okay, in English language how many words are going to be there. So this many words are, these words are available in which records or in which documents. Okay, that indexing is available, that is called as posting. Okay, first of all it will identify how many words are there, and then these words are available in which document. Okay, that tracing is going to be get maintained, that is called as posting or inverted list. So this list is called as a posting or is also called as an inverted list. Clear? So inverted index is nothing but the term which we will use in there, whatever your English language words are there, vocabulary, that all are going to be get identified, that is going to be finite. Suppose for example, nearly in every year few only words are going to be newly launched, but maximum it is a fixed vocabulary. So and then in which different documents this particular word is available, that record is going to be get maintained. For example, here one example is given. So as we already discussed, each document will have what? Document ID. Okay, based on to the document ID only information is going to be get stored, and it can be get accessible very easily. So suppose Shakespeare's play is there and you require to find out the character. Okay, in that play various characters are playing their role. Okay, suppose Anatomy, Brutus, Caesar, and Mercy was these are nothing but the some of the characters which are available in Shakespeare's play, and these are suppose the documents D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. It can be, we can have this word. Suppose I am interested to find this word anatomy, so this may be available in 10 or 15 or 30, how many different plays are there, or how much documentation has been done for that particular play. Okay, so it will be available in this book, or in this, what do we call it, as a chapter, or in the novel, or in a magazine, wherever. So and that all is available at the server, from where you can able to get the information. So here, when you are applying the inverted index, so here it will maintain the, if it is present inside of that this particular word. Okay, you are looking for this word anatomy, and if it is available in this book or in this document, these are nothing but D1, D2, D3, D4, D6, like this documents are there. This you can assume it as D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and it goes on continuing. Okay, it is going in the continuing order. Now you see, uh, so if it is available, it is marked as 1. So presence of the particular word which you are searching, if it is available, it is going to marked as 1, and absence is marked as 0. So like this, for every term which the user is interested to look after, for every word what is there, document inverted index is going to be get maintained. Okay, so you can see here now, if I talk about this Brutus, it is available in the first document. So document will have ID, right? Suppose this is a document 1, so it is having ID 1. This is document 2, so it is having ID 2. Document 3, ID 3. Document 4, it will have fourth ID. So fifth, sixth, it will continue as much as documents are available with the name you are searching for. So every document will have a unique ID. So if here you are looking, um, now Brutus, suppose if I taken the example, it is available in document 1, it is available in document 2, it is available in document 4, and this is continuous. Okay, so it may be available in document 11, 31, 45, 173, 174. Likewise, the list is maintained. So this list is what called as inverted list. Okay, this list is called as the inverted list. The list which is where we are finding for the particular word, and if the particular word is going to be available, then it is nothing but called as the inverted list. So here we are maintaining for the word which we are looking in which document it is available, for that inverted list is created. So in the document 1 it is available, in 2 it is available, 4, and keep on continuing as much as the number of documents are there. Now Caesar, this word I have found in document 1, I have found in 2, I have found in 4 and 5th and 6th, and also it will be there as many number of documents. So we'll write here, we are creating the inverted list or index, that it is available in 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and then further 16, 57 and 132 also it has been obtained. Same for the another word I am looking, suppose where it is whether it is available in which document it is available, whether it is available in D1, D2, D3 and so on. So it is available in D1. Okay, sorry, this is D1 and this is D2. Okay, so that's why we do write here 2. Okay, this word is available in document 2, so here we are writing it is available in 2. Further also it is how much is the size or how many documents are there, depends on to that, it is available in 31, 54, 101. Okay, so likewise we need to create the inverted index. So inverted index is nothing but uh, maintaining uh, a dictionary, or maintaining or creating an index, we do call, okay, inverted index, as the term is inverted index, or we do call it as inverted list, which will find that particular word is available in these documents. This document numbering is going to be get done because each document will have a unique ID. This is document 1. Okay, so 1, it is available in document 2, so 2 I will write, it is available in document 4. Like this it is going to keep on continuing as many number of documents are there. right? And this we are representing in a sorted order, okay, alphabetical sorted order, so that it searching is going to be faster, okay. If you are writing alphabetically A to Z you are using, that also you can use, but it should be in a proper sorted order so that your searching process is going to be get faster. So and what data how it is going to be get stored, so it is not fixed, okay. We, if we are talking about the array and if we try to use a fixed size array, so that is not the correct way of uses, because sometimes a particular word may found in 10 documents or a particular word may found in 100 document or only within limited document of 7. So if I make the fixed size of array uses, then sometimes it requires more space and sometimes the space is going to be get wastage. And another data structure, if we try to use it over here such as linked list, then insertion will be become cheap, but some pointers and all that specifying the address from here to there, again memory utilization will increase, okay. Whereas then which is the better one for searching it faster is a variable size array. So for inverted index, instead of the fixed size or a linked list, you should use variable size array, so the searching process is faster. Why you are using performing this inverted index? Because to search your document, okay, when you are searching your whenever you are firing a query to retrieve any particular document from the web server, at that time this inverted index concept can be get used. In inverted index it maintains a list of index, that this particular, firstly it will maintain a vocabulary of word, and then it will maintain that these words are available in this document, that indexing is going to be over there, right? So this is the one topic that is called as inverted index we have studied now. So always remember, inverted index is one of the data structure which is applicable for database management system and also in IRS, which will have three key terms in common. One is document file, means nothing but the documents, all documents. Another is inverted list or inverted index. So you have cleared now what is inverted list. So this is nothing but the inverted list. So once you maintain the vocabulary of words, now those all words will be available in a number of documents. So that indexing is going to be get performed, so that the search is faster. For this representation, variable size array is the better option, right? So is any doubt is there in this inverted index to anyone? Or did you clear? Hmm? Everything is fine? Okay. Then one more topic we'll take today, signature file. Okay. Okay. So like ngram is one of the data structure which do breaks your data in a unigram, bigram, trigram models and keep on going and a fixed size structure. Like that the pat tree, what does the pat data structure will perform? Pat is nothing but the patricia tree which maintains the suffixes and then construct a trie, and then it will try to perform the searching operation. This is all what for searching, okay. We are trying to find a particular query answer, means we are searching, okay. And for that performing the search, backend certain data structures or certain procedures or certain algorithms or steps has required to carried out by the system end or by some professional expertise. So at the information retrievals end, there will be certain algorithms or data structures, so as to make this available or your query should be answerable. So different data structures can be get used. So ngram, pat or streaming approach, okay. Or recently we have seen inverted index is one of the approach. Likewise signature file structure is also one of the approach that can be get used, okay. So signature file structure. So this process will start here. The client or the user who files a query will be interested to find some particular information. That particular information is called as pattern. Okay, he is interested to look something, that is called as pattern P. Where it is going to be available? It will be available in the document. Okay, there are multiple documents or text documents or something which is going to be get maintained at the system and server side. So multiple documents are going to be there. So signature file will create the index of that. Okay, signature file, whatever the pattern or whichever the query which you have fired, for that it creates an index. And if the particular indexing has been matched with your search query, then it is going to be available to the client, or it is going to make it handed over to the client. The pattern is going to be exist. Now see here, you can able to notice there are two arrows. Why there are two arrows? Okay, so when here the query is fire, it will check into the documents and index. If it is available, match is found, it will give it to the system. Okay, so client has fired the query and in this way it is answerable. But if it is a new term where the indexing has not been done, okay, and certain new query a particular client has fired, which is rarely fired, then that is also been noted. Okay, for that the signature is going to be get created. That's why here the two dimensional arrow it has shown. Okay, here. So for the new query, uh, so for that also signature is going to be get maintained, and those indexing is going to be available. So this is nothing but the signature file structure. So how does, or how to create this signature? What is the logic behind to create this signature? So any text is going to be there which you are interested, or your query. So that query is going to be get broken into equal size of blocks. Okay, the query or into the bar, address bar, or in the search engine, whichever the query which you type, that is going to be get broke into several equal parts. These equal parts are called as blocks. Okay, what it is called as blocks. Likewise, how much is the size of your sentence or how much size of your query, for that all it is going to create a block, like block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, and then that block inside the system will be get automated based on to certain coding schemes which is used. It is going to get binary some value for that block of information. So block 1 got some binary values, block 2, block 3 for particular words, and for block 4. Okay, so this where it is done, this is done inside the, because of the concept that we are going to use, that is called as the signature file. So several algorithms are going to be available at the server end. There they will maintain this blocking. Okay, so any text is going to be get divided into equal size of blocks, and those blocks are going to get assigned some binary value. That binary value indexing is going to be performed. This is called like, and then we do call it as a signature. Okay, this is what signature of that data. For this particular data, this is the signature. For a text as many, this one is the signature. So this, that's why it is called as a signature index. The concept is called as signature index. A signature for a particular block or a size of input is going to be get performed. Okay, so for every block, once it is divided into equal portion, its signature is maintained, or its signature indexing is going to be get performed. Now at a user end, suppose if you are interested to look for particular string, that is called as a pattern. Okay, so you are interested to look after for the word made of any word, that depends on your thinking process, whatever you would like to analyze. So in this word, if you are interested to find out, then here this is your word will have a numeric key every um, alphabets whatever you are giving, so it is having a binary key. So this binary key is going to be get utilized by performing the AND operation with the all blocks key within a document. So all documented are going to assign blocks, and with that we are having the signatures. So block 1 is nothing but this signature key is going to end it with the search which you are firing. So these keys are going to be get assigned automatically. You are not creating these notations. Okay, so this will be assigning automatically numeric, or we can call it as a binary key. So this performs the AND operation, and its result is going to be get evaluated. Now if it is matching with the block 1 means the query which you have fired is available over in the block 1. If it is matching with the block 2, your result is available in block 2. Likewise, the matching is going to be get performed of the pattern with the AND operation with the particular block. So result is going to be get analyzed. If the result is matching, okay, signature need to match, okay, then you can call the pattern is available, or the particular query words are available at this location. So here you can see when the AND operation need to perform for every block with the query has been fired, and if it is returning the same, then it is called as matching has been done. So here you can see that this word, if you are firing a query, it is available at the fourth block, right? It is here. So after the AND operation, it will show it over here. Okay, if it is not found, it is called as the term called as false drop. Okay, so it will try to check this inside the system by allocating a particular signature for every individual block of the data. This every individual block of the data indexing is going to be get performed at the system end, and this signature then need to match with the pattern. If it is matching, then you can say the pattern is available within this block. If it is not matching, okay, it is nowhere available, then it is called as a false drop. Then that term is called as a false drop. So likewise you need to look after, okay, for the signature file structure. So we have seen signature and the inverted file structure. So inverted file structure, any doubts? Or in signature file structure, any doubts? If you're having doubts, please ask. So inverted file structure or a signature file structure, these are nothing but the data structure used to locate the information, okay, based on to certain concept which is applicable, okay. Like as now we have seen in inverted file. How does inverted file works? Can anyone answer? Yes. What is inverted index? Yes, E6. What is inverted index? Pi naught 1. What is inverted index? Speak up fast. What is the concept inverted index? Anyone? What is inverted index? You guys need to be very, very careful and you need to attend the class properly, right? Okay. And be regular. The strength matters. Okay. So inverted index is focusing on to the um, concept known as document file and creation of the index, and then followed by that your words are going to be get matched. Okay, so here we have seen one example. Every document will have its ID. So if you are locating a particular word, its index is going to be get maintained that in this document it is available. Presence is indicated by 1. Okay, likewise it maintains the inverted list. Okay, in sorted fashion the inverted list is going to be get maintained. That is nothing but the concept of inverted index. For that, variable size representation is the correct option. Variable size of array, not the fixed size of array or not the linked list. And secondly, we have seen signature file. How does this signatures are going to maintain? For every document, text is going to be get subdivided. That division is called as blocks. Every block will have binary value for those combinations of words, and the query which you fire or the pattern which you are looking for will also have the binary combination, and it will perform the AND operation with the every block of data. If it founds match, then your pattern is going to be available, right? So likewise we can use this signature file structure or inverted file structure, data structure in information retrieval system. Okay. Sorry. Answer your roll calls. A section 23, E2 11, 27, 45, 56.
Ma'am, C section, ma'am.
Both sections are there, my class. First you answer for A section. Okay. Who is available? Okay.
Ma'am, 501.
Okay. Then
Ma'am, 516.
1 minute, 1 minute. 501 is available. Then 560, no?
16, ma'am.
Right. Others.
Ma'am,
Next.
545, ma'am.
Hmm. Next.
Ma'am, 551.
Others. Any more from A section? That's it from A section. 5. Okay. Then from C section. Tell me from C section. C1 series. Who is present?
Ma'am, C8.
Next. D series.
D6, ma'am.